Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, go.
Oh!
Bad takeoff.
Bad takeoff, but y'all did good. Oh, I got that on video. I'll have to watch that one again. Oh, watch out for his feet. He doesn't have any shoes on.
Well, you're going to get...
I think he got his hands. He didn't get his feet.
Okay.
I fell on his feet with a handlebar.
Oh.
You need more protection than head. Oh, you're okay.
I can do a way down. From my
I think he squished his hand.
You see your fingers. You do what? Okay. It's okay. Here, I'll put your shoes on.